You know what I think? I think that you are dope. Like really dope. Yeah.
They may disagree, but I think you're something special. They might disagree, but I think you're something new. Don't you let them bother you with their futile, fail opinions. I think you're really one of a kind.
I tell them now, hey, I think you're really good at doing what you do. Beautiful as the sky, even if you feel blue, 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 blue. A fly song, you got it. I think I feel grounded, cause you're so solid. And nobody can take your shine away. Listen, hey, I got a bone to pick, cause many want to counterfeit, cause many want another hit of beauty in a tighter fit. Escape inside the visual, the money and the physical. Stuck inside the visible, it's looking like a ritual. I'm saying,
if you only felt what I feel about you, then maybe you wouldn't need what they say you do.
And I see you fighting tooth and nail, I hope it all goes well. And this is how I feel now,
and I hope that you feel it now. That you're worth much more than you think.
You know what I think?
They may disagree,